Welcome! If you're looking to give your Discord a sleek, modern look, the new Onyx Mode is here to transform your experience, especially if you love dark themes or have an OLED display. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable Onyx Mode on Discord Web using your PC, all with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up Discord directly from your browser. You don't need to download anything extra. Just head to the official Discord website and log in as you normally would. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Inside the settings, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up all the theme options available to you. Now here's where the magic happens. In the Appearance section, you'll see several theme choices: Light, Ash, Dark, and the brand new Onyx. Onyx Mode stands out with its deep black and gray tones, designed to look stunning on OLED screens and to reduce eye strain, especially in low-light environments. Simply click on Onyx to select it. Instantly, your Discord interface will switch to the Onyx theme, giving you that crisp, modern look. You don't need to restart or refresh. Your new theme is applied right away. Onyx Mode not only looks great, but also helps to minimize visual clutter and improve readability, making your chats and channels easier to navigate. Plus, it's a perfect match if you're already using Dark Mode on your other apps or your operating system. And that's it. You've just enabled Onyx Mode on Discord Web for PC. Enjoy your refreshed, eye-friendly interface, and don't forget to explore the other customization options Discord offers to make your experience truly your own. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for getting the most out of Discord's latest features.